In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos in Notion. Adding video to your Notion pages is a great way to make your workspace more visual, engaging, and easy to reference. Whether you're building a knowledge base, a course, a project hub, or simple notes, embedding video helps you keep everything in one place instead of jumping between tabs and apps. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the most direct and current method to add videos inside Notion, step by step. First, open the Notion page where you want the video to appear. This can be an existing page or a brand new one. Click into the page so your text cursor is active. Now, to bring up Notion's block menu quickly, type a / followed by the word video with no spaces, so that's /video. As soon as you see the video block option appear, press enter. Notion will insert a video block placeholder right where your cursor was. Next, you'll see options that let you choose how you want to bring the video into Notion. At the top of this block, there are usually two main choices. If you have a video file saved on your computer, click the Upload tab. This is ideal for screen recordings, tutorials, or any clips that aren't already hosted online. After clicking Upload, your file browser will open. Navigate to the folder where your video is stored, select the file, and confirm. Notion will begin uploading the video directly to the page. Depending on the size of the file and your connection, this might take a moment, so give it a bit of time to process. If your video is already online, for example on YouTube or Vimeo, it's usually more efficient to embed it instead of uploading. To do this, click the Embed Link tab. You'll see a field asking for a URL. Go to your video on YouTube or Vimeo, copy the link from your browser's address bar, then come back to Notion and paste it into that field. Once you've either selected a file to upload or pasted a video link, look for the blue confirmation button in the block. It will say something like Upload or Embed Video, depending on which method you chose. Click that blue button to confirm your choice. Notion will then either upload your file or fetch the embedded video from the link and display it directly on your page. After the video appears, you can drag to resize it or move the block around to fit your layout. And that's all you need to start adding videos to Notion quickly and confidently.